Hi, this video is to provide instructions on how to map controls from different framework into a policy standard document. So first you want to be in the policy management module. And the second part is all the mappings and text can be pulled under the standards object. So I'm going to go ahead and add a draft of a standard policy. So I'm going to just call this a test policy or standard. Okay. And make sure you give it some kind of content source and click save. If you want this to be rolled up under an overall policy, you can do that by stating what policy you want this standard to be rolled up to. And notice that we have this control library section. This is where we're going to do the mapping, and then we will copy the text from control library into standard. So let's go ahead and go to our control library because it's easier to find here. And here you can sort your controls by different framework, or you can go to all. So I'm just going to select this first control from these two framework. Now the next thing you want to do is click on map to standard. Look at this, it only mapped the first one that I selected, but that's okay. I can do one or multiple at a time. So then you want to click on look up to the standard and select the standard that you want to map it to, and then click on map to standard. So let me go ahead and do another one like this, these three. Map to standard. Look for the standard I want to map it to. Click on map to standard. Now it's done. So now if I go back to my standard draft, which is the one I just modified. This one right here. Nope. It was this one right here, 52. I can see that I have the controls that I mapped here. And so what I want to do is have an easy way to write my policy statement. So go ahead and click this button that says copy control library to your standard statement. And notice now I have all these texts that shows me the control name, control description, and the reference. And now what I'm going to do is take this text, put it in my Word document, and start consolidating and referencing my policy document. That's all about mapping multiple framework into a policy. If you have any question, contact support at cb1security.com.